Hello, today we are going to check if we can actually run AI podcast in real time using RTX 5060 Ti. So let's get it started. For brain model, we will use number 4, Pygmalion. For one audio model, we will use Maya. And for another one, we will use Orpheus-Dan. We'll have, of course, Maya, and we will have maybe Dan. And we will write the topic of a podcast. Let's come up with something interesting. Let's say, was Hitler an animal lover? We press enter, and we just have to wait a bit. Not for a long time, just to generate a few files. It shouldn't be taking too long. As you see, our system is up and running, and it is already generating audio and text. And we could start right now to have a podcast. We could just press enter and it would be reading out loud our podcast. So you can see already the files being generated. So we have already one audio file. So I could just press enter and we could just enjoy our podcast. So let's hear it.
Good morning, listeners. It's Maya here with another edition of The Fight for Facts. Today's topic is whether or not Adolf Hitler was an animal lover. Joining me in the ring is Dan, who has a PhD in history and specializes in Nazi Germany. Let's get started.
Maya, I agree that Hitler was a monster and a mass murderer who should never be romanticized or given any sympathy by anyone. But that doesn't mean he wasn't an animal lover as well. In fact, there is evidence that he had a soft spot for animals and even saved some from being killed during the war.
Dan, I must disagree with you on this one. Surely you can not justify Hitler's actions by claiming that he was an animal lover. How can we forgive a man who massacred millions of people just because he had a soft spot for animals? Furthermore, even if he did have a soft spot for animals, it doesn't change the fact that he was a monster and a cruel dictator.
I believe in a world where all beings are treated with respect and kindness, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. But Adolf Hitler did not live in such a world. He was a cruel dictator who massacred millions of people just because he thought it was right to do so. Animal lover or not, his actions cannot be justified under any circumstances.
I disagree with you strongly on this point, Dan. To call Adolf Hitler an animal lover is a gross misrepresentation of his true character and beliefs.
Okay, that's it. As you see, we can generate those podcasts almost immediately using a simple consumer GPU like RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB of RAM. You can get this code on my Patreon if you're interested how to do it, and you could actually even improve it. So yeah, good luck.